Hello great people, I welcome you to today's session of our training. Today we are going to look at the second part of the introduction or simple things in PixelLab. So quickly just tap on the defaults, then you click on delete. Though we don't want it, so you just click on the delete icon upwards here to take it off. So from here, just scroll to this section to select a background. So we are going to choose color. So I think we need to use the pink and see how it will be. So from here, you press on your check mark. Then you select this icon and choose a shape. Since we are going to make use of shape, let's maintain the shape in a square form like this. You just tap on the check mark upwards. Then from there you can increase the size of it with your hand. Just tap on where the circular is. You can make it big or small, how you want it to appear. So from here, just search up to position it in the middle and go and lock your layer. So from here, you need to tap any part of the work. Don't tap on the square, the white square, but rather tap on any other part. But before then, let's try and change the color of this shape to black. So you search for color, you enable it, then you just scroll below to select black. Okay, so this time around we are good to go. Then you tap on any part of the working space. So from here you need to insert another shape. So we will still maintain this, and this time around we are going to just pay attention. I'm going to use my hand to make it small and a lighter form. So I'll just make it small. Before then, let me increase the height and make it a small form like this. So from here I can also rotate it with my hand, this rotate section. And still decrease it. From here I can use my position tool to position it well. How or whatever I want it to be, I can do it with the aid of the position tool or my hand. So I want to rotate it, but mostly it's not advisable to use a hand. Sometimes you might find it difficult, so you can scroll to see where we have rotate and use this rotate section. So you can increase or decrease. So let me use the let me use the increase section of this place. From here you press on a check mark and make a duplicate. Just tap on copy. You copy, then you position it as you want it to be. You just copy again. So you are going to arrange it in this order to your satisfaction. So for me to move fast, I can merge them and copy it. But let me finish with the first session so that I'll take you through that one too, so that you'll be fast in coming out with such shapes. So I think I need to add another one. Yes. So from here I'll just go and press on this section and tap here, this icon over here, and select all. Not all. This, pay attention, this is the first one, so we will not select that one, and rather we will select the remainings. So from here you press here, this is to merge this icon. Just press on it, then you press OK. So we have all this together as one. So from here you just press on your copy. You see that we have gotten it twice. So you just push it upwards. Let me rotate it with my hand for you to see. So you just need to turn it. So I think this is cool. So right from here, I would like, or all that you need to do is to just tap on this icon again. And this time around, we are going to merge all the layers together. You press on your merge, OK. So let's see how we will go. From here, just scroll through here to where we have erase color. Let's enable it and see. So you see what we have gotten. So mostly you see these things in graphics. You wonder how it is done. But it seems we still need to work on the tolerance. So with this, you can play around it to make it smooth. And let's try the smooth also. No. Maintain this one and play around here. This is what I mean by the tolerance. Just play around so that you see that everything is clear. Let me take it back. I hope you can see some whitish indicating on the work. So just play around the tolerance to get rid of it. From here, press on your check mark. And for us to get this, yes, for us to get this to use in our work, we need to change the background. We need to change the background to opacity or transparent. Select transparent and go and save your projects or go and save your work. So by doing this, just go and save your work. You save it, default, change it to ultra. Then you can save your project or your work. So from here, you can also save it as a project so that you will work on it whenever there is a need. So let's check it out in our gallery and see. So actually we have it here. So you can use it in any graphic works that you want to use such icons. Same thing applies to circle. If you want it to be in a circular form, let me just add one or two things for you to see how it is. So this time around we want to use circle. So let's press on this back icon here. Back. Or for us to see that we are going back, you just press this icon. Into your call back now, you get to see that the thing is going back. So we just want these 3 layers to appear 1, 2, 3. So what are we going to do? You just tap on the last one, this one, tap on it, then you tap on edit. Edit. So the edit, you just tap on this place. Then you select circle or oval, circle. So this is the circle we are having. Let's press on our check mark. So let's increase the size of the circle. Don't tap on the working space. Just check it out here and increase the size of it to suit what you want to do or what you are doing. Let's position it. Okay, I think this is cool. So you press on your check mark again. Then you select this. You just tap on this to merge them. So you select 1, 2, 3. You press on your merge. Okay, let's go to erase color and see. Enable. So we also have our black here. So you just play around the tolerance. Then let's go back to the background. Let's choose transparent again and save our projects. So save as an image. Okay. So it's saved. So now it depends on how you want it to be. Since you are going to work with it, you can choose any color that you want to use. So by selecting it, you go to color. Let me come from the background section. So for you to work on it, just come to this area before you can select a color for it. Then you enable it. So which color do you want to use? Which color? Any color that you want to use for the work, you can play around it. So basically, this will bring us to the next session of our simple things in PixelLab. Hoping that this tutorial will be helpful to us. But one thing more, let me change the color or the background. So from here, let me delete this circular. Let me delete it. And now we are going to import what we just had. So you tap on your import, assuming you are working and you want to use that icons, you just go and select them to your working space. So this is the first one. We have it here. Now let's go and let's check whether we will get the first one. Okay, so we have them here. Most of the times when we are working on it, we just place it at the end or some latter part. So with this, you can choose any color for it. You can choose any color that you want it to be. You see how it is? So you can choose color that you want it to appear. So this will bring us to the end of this tutorials or this training. Kindly watch, practice, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and recommend it to your friends. Have a nice day.